Here's what it looks like again before it gets all dirty.
That's really good.
What are you throwing on it?
Jerk bait.
So it's a pretty light bait,
Very light.
not backlashing.
Yeah,
I will
it'll pretty much throw as far as I want it to.
I will definitely do more updates as time goes by and he uses it more. But so far, I mean, it's definitely worth the $18.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's
That's
pretty.
better than some of my $50 ones.
Really?
Yeah.
I bet it don't cast better than mine.
These didn't cost $50.
No, mine costed $100 for just the reel.
Yeah, definitely will cast as far as I want it to.